Hey, I'm Eric Goldie, and I'm here to teach you how to achieve the tussle cut. So step one is to wet your hair and comb it down, which I've already done. I have my Wahl clipper, and then of course my Wahl detail trimmer. I have my guard that I'm gonna be using. And then of course I have my oil, because you have to oil your blades before using. Okay, so after I wet my hair, I like to separate it into the sections that I'll be cutting. So right along the neck, and then right above the ears, that's section 2, and then 3 is right below the top of my head. So it's almost like a horseshoe, and I like to divide it right along the 2 parts along the side of my head. And so now we're gonna begin. I've got my number 8 guard on, and I'm gonna start along the sides. Okay, so I finished the sides, and now I'm gonna work on the back of my head. I like using a little handheld mirror so I can see the back and exactly what I'm doing. It's gonna be the exact same technique. I'm just gonna be rocking it up and going right up to the crown of my head. I'm gonna brush it straight, and then the technique that I like to use, I like to take it kind of in sections. So take it between your 3rd and your 4th finger. I'm just cutting a little off the top. I take my guard off. You're just gonna trim just the top, just to get the ends off, because I don't want it super short. I just want to kind of get a really fresh new cut. Okay, so we finished the top. Now we're gonna be cleaning up the sides and the back of my head using the detail trimmer. And I'm gonna be, again, using my mirror so that I can see the back of my head. And now the final step is just to style it. I love using the Wahl hair pomade. And that's how you achieve the tussle cut.